Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Everything Stangs, and we're back with another YouTube video.
Today we're breaking in my 2012 Mustang GT Stage 4 clutch.
And after that, we're going to roll out to a car meet in Keller, Texas.
One thing about this clutch is it's very, very hard to launch in first. Like, very, very hard. It's not very forgiving. Watch. Oh shit, shudder. It's a little hard to drive. Put it at that. Like going through the gears feels fine. It's just that launching off at first is very tough. But I mean, I can make second and third just as smooth as it was stock. My problem I've been having is launching. It's a little hard to get used to it. Hopefully, like within 500 miles, it can break in though. Don't mind that noise, that's something else. I'll get fixed soon.
More content.
That means 1 year soon. Alright. One more time. Let's see if I can get it down. Probably not. I'm gonna try my best. I don't know, it just feels weird. Not used to it yet, so that'll take a while to get used to it. Definitely bites really hard compared to my stock clutch though.
You go swing it, bro?
Hey, it's under warranty. Just tell the dealership it's under warranty, bro.
Hey, man. I know for a fact you can swing. I've done it before.
Oh, that's cool.
You don't need tires? You don't need tires?
Just go to my buddy.
You don't need to. You just gotta swing it and just blow those off. You know, drive home on the metal.
Y'all get in the middle, I'll do it quickly.
Come on, I'll be in the middle. I'm cameraman.
You get in the middle.
Hey, you get in the middle.
I'll get in the middle. I already got hit by an 18 wheeler. I'm fuck it. If I get hit, I get hit. I go down a legend, bro. I go down a legend. Bro, that was clean, bro.
God, yeah.
Shit was fire, bro.
That's camera footage.
Bro, that was badass, bro.
Hey, buddy. It's not nice.
They got scared of that too.
I didn't think I thought it was his car.
I think they're mad. Oh,
Fuck,
shit.
just ask me, bro.
Honestly.
Look, I'm a nice guy. Alright.
Alright.
He says hey, who's that guy? That dude over there.
Oh, you're in trouble.
No, he just threw one, so we don't think it's him.
Bro, I don't want that shit where someone blew up their head and happened again. Goddamn.
I thought his diff was fucked, bro.
I just started it. Yeah, dollars, yeah.
Don't even text me.
Wow, dude, that shit look nasty.
Oh, yeah. He only has 2 fingers in the left hand.
How do you react? Is that shit painful?
Huh?
Is it painful?
I don't know, I wasn't there. I saw the video.
I saw the video.
I has to be, bro. His whole hand just blew apart, dude.
Oh, dude.
That takeover in Dallas,
So I'm
yeah.
scared of fireworks right now.
I'm so confused.
That was a firecracker?
Yeah, that was a firework.
Yes,
But it had like a short ass fuse though.
Yeah, like he was done, so just light it up.
Dude, my God.
I wonder who threw that. You were scared of that? Nah, man. You could have taken them.
Another one.
Are these guys mad?
Oh, shit.
Preston walks towards us.
Oh, that's cops. That's cops. That's cops.
Where do you see cops? Oh, yeah. Those are cops.
Hey, 12, 12, 12, 12. 12, 12. Hop in.
Man, hurry up. Go. Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit. Come on, bro. Oh, he's getting for the dude with the blown engine.
Guys, this is my first time driving on the new clutch in the 2012. It's supposed to be a very tough
Let's
stage
see if
4
we can
clutch.
get it first. Oh, he fucked it up.
I did fuck it up.
How does it feel?
Does feel like an on and off switch.
I told you, bro. Oh, chill out on the gas though. You're supposed to like still get it like rolling at first.
Yeah. Maybe I should put it in gear first, man.
Yeah. Oh, you barely got it. God damn.
Did barely get it. Alright. So yeah, very...
Burned my clutch, but okay. Shit.
Wasn't that bad, man.
Fuck, dude.
See if we can make it over the hill.
Try one more time real quick.
Yeah.
First gear, okay. Okay, this is a little better. A little rough on second gear.
Like if I had to drive this, I could do it fine. Alright.
Okay, second try. Oh, fuck.
That's very rough.
Very rough. It's not for the beginners, right?
No, it's not.
Definitely not for the beginners.
I mean, I feel like I can definitely get used to it.
Yeah,
It's
it's not that bad. I mean,
You have to hold it in that same spot, which I'm not used to. Like
yeah,
any other clutch.
it's
in
a
the
really
world.
low engagement point, right?
But like, it really doesn't have any play, so you can't like just slowly out of it.
Yeah, it's like basically like you got it or you don't.
Like that. But I always move my leg out. That's the problem. Like,
Yeah, I'm so used to moving my leg out, bro.
Because you just have to like leave your leg there, kind of.
Yeah, you just have to like keep it there. If you like try just putting it out slowly, like you do with the stock clutch, it's fucked.
Yeah, it just starts bouncing like that. Cause look, I can get it moving like that.
Oh, you got it, man.
And I can get it out after I like get moving. But
Also, when you shift gears, you have to like be like a little low on the engagement point, so it doesn't feel as rough.
Yeah, I definitely feel a little bit of difference with shifting gears than it did on the stock clutch, but nothing crazy.
Yeah, I mean, it's still drivable on the street, you know. It's not like a race clutch like where you can't even drive it on the street. It's still doable.
This is a puck style
stage 4.
clutch.
Yeah.
Oh, God
Oh,
damn.
that almost. Yeah, chill out, man. It's still getting broken in. Yeah, that was good though. Second and third.
Yeah. I'm just trying to get used to the clutch. I know this clutch likes a little bit more umph in it.
Yeah, it does for sure. Took me a while to get used to it.
I can feel the umph that it wants.
Yeah, this thing bites hard as fuck. Oh.
Needed to catch that a little bit higher in the RPM.
Oh, you got it. That was a good smooth shift right there.
Yeah.
I mean, it feels good in the other gears, right? God damn.
God, I forgot about that one, dude.
First gear.
Yeah, I'm at first. Just trying to launch it, man.
I feel like this clutch can definitely take more abuse, though.
Yeah.
Because I've been abusing it the whole day.
I'm not doing too bad on it. I'm definitely getting it a little
You're
jerky.
getting it, yeah.
But understanding what it wants. What it wants
For
me
sure.
to do.
The hill, it's a little tough, but I mean, it's possible.
See, like that was fine. Second right there.
Just be a little slower on the shift. I mean, you can drive it around. That's great.
Yeah.
At least it's not like terribly like annoying to drive daily.
I'm not like fucking dying doing this.
Yeah.
So basically, always upgrade your clutch to the strongest race clutch you can find and just figure it out.
Shit, man. See, you over revved it right there.
Yeah, but I let the RPMs die first
Yeah.
before I let out, so it wasn't hard. Yeah, definitely a perfectly daily drivable clutch.
Yeah, it's nothing too bad, honestly.
You can drive it.
I mean, it's not the smoothest launch in the world right anymore like it used to be, but like it's not nothing like it's nothing terrible that I can't live with.
I mean, I feel like with practice it might get better, but
Yeah.
who knows? It might just be because it's in braking period still.
Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, why we're not doing any pulls right now is because this clutch is still
Getting broken.
brand new.
Yep.
What, like 200 miles on this bitch?
No, probably like 150, I think.
Yeah, I caught that one fine.
Yeah, that one was good. You're a fast learner, bro. I started like 6 times on my first day.